Plug in the strip heater. As a safety precaution, place the red sign that says hot over the heating element. Wait for several minutes as the strip heater warms up. Locate the engraved lines on the workpiece. Start on one end and line up the engraved mark with the middle of the strip heater. Heat each side for approximately 30 seconds. If you cannot bend the acrylic, continue to heat each side of the material. Always heat the side of the workpiece that will be the outside edge of the bend last. If the acrylic gets too hot, you will notice bubbling on the surface of the piece. Once the acrylic is sufficiently warm, bend the workpiece along the engraved line in the appropriate direction. Stabilize the workpiece as it cools. Once completely cooled, repeat this process for the rest of the bends.